Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change wallpaper in lock screen for your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to wallpaper and style. Here select my wallpapers. These are the system available wallpaper. Just select any one. Here I would like to select this wallpaper and click on lock screen, and this selected wallpaper will be applied on lock screen. Click on set on lock screen here and click on apply here. Go to home screen and lock your phone and see the changes. Yes, wallpaper has been changed in lock screen of my phone. If you would like to change to any other wallpaper, again go to the settings and click on wallpaper and style and click on gallery. This time you can select a photo in your gallery and that can be applied as a wallpaper for your phone. That is the selected photo will be applied on lock screen of your phone. See here, I select this one and click on done and click on lock screen and click on set on lock screen. Set on lock screen, click on apply and put lock screen. See the changes. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.